So, been working on this for a week. Had the idea that while playing guitar, I could do with a foot-operated orchestral section. So, got hold of an old twin keyboard with foot pedals. There's plenty of those about. Stripped the keyboard, the footboard, off the bottom. That's what you can see here. Mapped out where all the keys and bits and pieces went, and then I wanted to hook it up to a USB keyboard so that I could use it with this software here, which you can use the QWERTY keyboard to play the synth sounds. So follow there's the USB there. That's the USB controller from inside the QWERTY keyboard. This code here went to the manufacturer's website and it gave me the pin wirings and the key map, which those, there we go. There's two distinct sections on this, and using a combination of two connections you get the different keystrokes. So I've just finished wiring this up. I've just plugged it in. I've launched this free program called Caustic, and if you where's the, here we go, ready, and 1 2 3. I'm hoping you can hear that in the background. You see that? That's me with my foot. At present I've only wired one pedal. The others don't work yet. That's just a case of soldering a few more of these connections to these springs. Now the original had a metal bar running along there. It was all one connection to these tiny little springs here, and that didn't work because of the way that these wiring here is grouped. Several pedals will share several connectors. There's 4 connectors one side, 4 connectors the other side, and using a combination, as I said, it gives all the different keystrokes that are required. So some of these connections, these springs here, are the actual switches. Some of these are grouped together, R4, R2, R4, R2, R4. So these 3 are grouped together. There's a brown wire there that loops all of these. This is just a bit of semicircular dowel that's screwed to the back of the PC board. Some drawing pins stuck in with wire looped underneath to create the switches, and here the springs then wired to the other connectors. Seems to work. Hopefully I'll have it all wired up very shortly.